Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Voyager 4320 to your phone. First, ensure your Voyager 4320 headset is fully charged. Next, turn on the headset by sliding the power switch to the on position. Then, activate pairing mode by pressing and holding the Bluetooth button until the LED flashes red and blue. This makes your headset discoverable for your phone's Bluetooth settings, preparing it for the next step in the connection process. Now, let's move to your phone. Open your phone's settings menu and locate the Bluetooth option. Toggle the Bluetooth switch to the on position to activate it. Your phone will now begin searching for nearby discoverable devices. This step is crucial for your phone to detect the Voyager 4320 headset, which should still be in its pairing mode, ready to be found and connected. Once your phone's Bluetooth is active, you should see Poly Voyager 4320 appear in the list of available devices. Tap on this device name to initiate the pairing process. Your phone might ask for confirmation or a passcode. Simply confirm or enter 0000 if a default is needed. This action establishes the secure connection between your phone and the headset, allowing them to communicate. After successful pairing, a confirmation message will appear on your phone, indicating the connection is complete. The headset's LED indicator will also stop flashing red and blue, showing a solid blue light to confirm it's connected. You can now use your Voyager 4320 for calls, listening to music, or any other audio playback. Enjoy your wireless audio experience with your newly connected headset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.